Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is another short video testing a router bit that you can use with your Shaper Origin. A while back, one of my viewers asked me on the video where I test the Shaper Origin clearing router bit, so that's the really expensive, nice bit from Shaper Origin, if I ever tested a Festool one that is very similar. And that Festool router bit has the number 490949. It's a spiral router bit. And I was curious, so I checked it out and I found it, and it's this one here. That router bit from Festool is similar than the one from Shaper Origin. I show you here a close-up, and you see that it has these diagonal blades, but compared to the Shaper Origin one, it has two blades, not three. So very similar than the Ent router bit that I have a video about, but those blades, instead of being straight, they're diagonal, very similar to the Shaper Origin bit. So I decided to buy it because it's much cheaper than the one from Shaper Origin, and to compare it. And here it is. I mounted it on the Shaper Origin and I did a large pocket cut with it. I'm not showing you any video material. There's not a lot of spectacular material to show, but I can tell you that this thing is a beast. I was able to very quickly and easily remove a lot of material, very similar, or I would say the same as with a clearing router bit from Shaper Origin. The main reason why you might want to consider buying that bit is because it's actually half the price. The bit from Shaper Origin costs $159, while the Festool one, this one here, costs $71. So it's less than half, which obviously that's a lot of money. But, and there is always a but, if we're talking about saving money, there is one drawback from this bit. And you see it here, the shank it has is much shorter than this long shank than you get with a clearing router bit from Shaper. This shank is about 36 millimeters, while the one from Shaper is about 57. So you can cut about 2 centimeters, 20 millimeters deeper. It's almost an inch, not quite, but almost an inch deeper with the router bit from Shaper compared to the Festool one. Which means that if you need deep pocket cuts, then the clearing router bit from Shaper or the ENT that I've shown you in the past, those with the long shanks will be your way to go. But if that's not what you need, if you're looking for something to remove a lot of material up to a depth of maybe like 1 inch, then this one is a beast. It's nice, it's not that expensive, and so I can recommend it to you. I'll leave links in the description in case you want to go and check it out. That was all. Thanks for your attention. If you liked the video, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you around.